Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Shantania and this is my mom. You have to tell them your name.
My name is Bernie.
Okay, so she's Mama Bernie. So I got the question to enter the video into the draw, and I got the question stating that who motivates me the most or who I look up to, which would be my mom. So, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. She has 9 children and 8 now. One passed away, and all her life she have been working hard and all of those things. And one of the work that really put her at a break her down, and but she did overcome it, was she going into prostitution.
Me?
So she
Me go prostitution.
hold on, just so
No tell no lie for me with that. No, me never go in there for so. No, for the baby bar, me never do prostitution. So me don't agree with that one then.
hold on, I have to go cut out that. Okay, so yes, so 9 of us, and she had to go on the corner to sell. Like she used to sell for in Jamaica, like she used to sell on the corner for $100, sell her body for $100.
Shana, me know that. Everybody know me at home. No. No, me don't want that $10,000.
Mama, at $10,000, we can share it 50.
No.
Mama,
Me not doing
50.
it. No, me don't want it.
Mama.
No, me say don't bother with it.
Okay, sorry.
Take it out.
No, me have to cut out right now. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So yes, so she had to do that, and
Better yes, me beg.
she
Right. Yes. Right. Me jump off.
and she older.
If I saw me, I want to know.
Also she had to go, like most of her 9 children, she don't know all of their father because she had to sell on the road, right? So yeah, the money will really help us out a lot. So you know, she was thinking to go back on the corner to go and sell, but I told her no, at her age, like she can't be doing prostitution at her age, right? So
I never used to do it. Me never used to do it, so you don't get that.
Mama, it's $10,000.
Me not respond. Me don't. Me not
Look here,
say that.
you say you need plain fear for God.
Me no want that the plain fear. God, you want God to chastise me?
No.